Hi, I'm Brett Norton with Certol International, and I'm here to showcase two of our bedside cleaning products, one of which is our QEZ 3, which features the stand-up bag, and also it comes with a pre-saturated sponge. This pre-saturated sponge is also available in a QEZ 2, which is the order code for that. What I want to do real fast is go through how to open this up and put it into the stand-up bag and activate our enzyme formula. The enzyme formula is a 4-enzyme formula and is a very effective cleaning tool when trying to clean your scopes at bedside. So I will open that up very easily. It comes in a vacuum sealed package, and you'll see that this is a pre-saturated sponge. I will dip that into the water, squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll have active enzymes. And the way that we can test that is through a testing strip that is an actual validated strip. It is made by Serim PINNACLE. The way you can tell is that when there is no enzyme activity, there is a white color to this strip. Here you see a pink and a purple. That is when that enzyme activity is verified. So we'll go ahead and stick that in there for 1 second. We'll just let that sit. And as you see, within a few seconds, you've got validated enzyme activity. It turns a very deep purple. So you know we've got a fresh formula that's ready to attack the biofilm and all the other bugs that are sitting inside your scope channels.